So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you need to re-import your QuickBooks self-employed information into TurboTax, here's how to do it. Firstly, sign into your QuickBooks self-employed account and make sure you haven't entered the related tax information manually in TurboTax before starting the import. From QuickBooks, open the tax checklist. Select Review Final Tax Summary and review the information shown. When everything looks correct, click Send to TurboTax in the bottom right corner and review the information sharing prompt, then select It's OK to send my info. QuickBooks will send the available tax information to TurboTax, and finally, open TurboTax and review the imported information to make sure everything transferred correctly. And that's it. Your QuickBooks self-employed tax information has been re-imported into TurboTax and ready for review. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.